Organic method for DNA extraction. This lesson is in continuity to the previous lesson. So during the step 3, because the first 2 steps was performed during the first lecture, so this is the second lecture of organic method. At step 3, phenol chloroform is used. Because this method is organic method, so phenol chloroform is an organic compound. The standard way to remove the protein from the nucleic acid for which phenol chloroform is used. The procedure is once it is extracted with the help of phenol. At the second step, once with 1:1 mixture of phenol and chloroform. And at the third sub-step is once with the chloroform. So extraction of the proteins or the removal of the proteins from the nucleic acid is with the help of phenol chloroform. During the first step, phenol is used. During the second step, 1:1 mix of phenol and chloroform is used. And at the third sub-step of phenol chloroform, just chloroform is used. Phenol chloroform, this procedure takes advantage of the fact that deproteinization is more efficient when 2 different organic solvents are used instead of the one. So some people, they prepare the solution of phenol chloroform and isoamyl alcohol. Instead of performing 3 different steps, they just use the mixture of phenol chloroform and isoamyl to precipitate or to separate the proteins which are present with DNA. Phenol chloroform, final extraction with phenol chloroform removes any lingering traces of the phenol from the nucleic acid preparation. Phenol is highly corrosive and can cause severe burns. So in case of organic method, usually an organic compound is used, and organic compound is phenol chloroform. So phenol chloroform is used to separate the proteins from the DNA.